The 2016 Chevrolet Trax. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.